Hello, my name is Tobias, and I will show you how to set up the Midea PortaSplit on your window. On tilt and turn windows, the outdoor unit is attached to the outside of the window using the window bracket. To do this, you need the following things: the protection plate, the window bracket, the steel cable, the window lock. You only need the shorter support legs if the distance from the window bar to the wall is greater than 14 centimeters, or if your windowsill is very low. You will find a detailed explanation at the end of this video. To secure the window bracket when attaching it, hook the steel cable onto the window bracket and then onto the back of the indoor unit. The length of the steel cable can be adjusted. You can then attach the window bracket to the window. Place the bracket on the window bar. Always keep one hand on the bracket during assembly. First, tighten both screws loosely so that the bracket is secured. Now, adjust the position of the support legs so that they touch the house wall. Make sure that the lock is properly engaged and that the bracket is straight and stable. Now, you can tighten the screws. Place the outdoor unit on the window bracket and slowly push it forward until it clicks into the bracket. The device must not be tilted, and the guide rails must run exactly in the slots in the bracket. Check whether the outdoor unit is securely locked into place. The device should no longer be able to be lifted. Then you can close the window. The back of the PortaSplit indoor unit must be at least 25 centimeters away from the wall during use to ensure that the device is adequately ventilated. The window lock prevents the window from opening uncontrollably and allowing too much outside air to enter. It consists of two parts that are self-adhesive. The part with the Velcro is attached to the window frame. The other part to the window sash. The opening must face upwards. Position both parts so that the window can be closed as far as possible when the device is in place. You can now turn on your PortaSplits. The condensation that occurs with all air conditioning systems is automatically transported to the outdoor unit with the PortaSplit and simply drips off the base plate. If necessary, the draining water can be diverted using the drainage pipe. To deinstall the PortaSplit, turn off the device, unplug it, and roll up the power cable on the back of the indoor unit. Place the protection plate on the indoor unit. Detach the outdoor unit from the window bracket by pressing in both locking pins with your thumbs and at the same time pulling the device towards you. You can now lift the outdoor unit and place it on the indoor unit. If the bracket can remain outside, simply close the window. Otherwise, loosen the two screws and bring the bracket inside. The position of the support legs can be left for the next use. If the distance between the window ridge and the house wall is more than 14 centimeters, replace the pre-installed support legs with the shorter support legs supplied. The shorter support legs can also be used if the distance between the window ridge and the windowsill is large. To replace the support legs, turn the bracket over and remove the protective caps. Press in both locking pins at the same time and pull the support leg out of the rail. The short support legs can be inserted in the same way. Reattach the protective caps. You can then attach the window bracket to the window. You can find further information about your PortaSplit and additional accessories in the enclosed manual.